Hey cartoon friends, so today we're gonna draw Yoshi, but a little bit cuter version of it. So I've already done the drawing, so what you can do is pause the screen right now and so you can follow along with the next steps. I'm gonna do a quick example of the shapes, or at least show you the shapes and kind of go from there. I'm gonna get a sheet of paper. So here's a sheet of paper right here. Move to the side. So the head shape is basically, I'm going to just do a ball and then another kind of ball shape like that to start, and then the nose. Okay, but shape, okay? And then the body is just a simple kind of pear shape like that, and then a foot, and then another foot like that. Okay, and then the tail comes out. Sorry, I'm running out of room there. But as long as you get these kind of shapes first, you've kind of pretty much got it. Okay, so it's just simple shapes, and then we'll go from there. So first off, let's pause the screen and so you can catch up to this part. Okay. All right, okay, so let's go to it. So we're gonna use marker to clean it up. You can use pencil crayon or even just a normal pencil, and we can kind of go from there. So I'm going to clean it up with just a Crayola marker to start, okay? Let's start with, let's say, maybe the eyes. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go around, keep this nice and thin, then a circle there, a highlight, and another highlight there. Same thing on this side, circle, highlight, and another highlight. Fill that in since I'm here. You can add the highlights later on with just like a white out or something like that. Okay. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to do this line. Okay. So I'm going to go up and around. Up and around, okay? And then with the way my hand moves a certain way, so I'm going to turn the paper a bit. I know it doesn't help in the video to see it, but it's just easier for my hand to do it that way. So let's see. So around and then up. Do a little line like that. And this cheek's a little thin, but then it can get a little thicker as it comes around. Okay. And then the side cheek too definitely can be a little bit thicker on this side here. A little bit of pressure. Okay. Great. And now the little spikes kind of, you know, made it a little bit more cartoony and simple. That's just, don't want to overcomplicate it. And around like that. Okay. Then I'm going to do the body, same thing. Or sorry, arm here. A little thicker at the bottom, and then wrap it around, okay? And then this part of the body, kind of wrap it around a little thicker at the bottom too, and then up, okay? And the tail, a little lighter at the top. And then I can add a little, you know, some little spikes there. I am going to open up the mouth a bit and smile and add a tongue. Okay. Next part I'm going to do is I'm going to add the feet or the boot. And then the back part or the back foot. Thin line, okay, for the inside of that body, nice and thin, okay? And another arm over here. Okay. I'm gonna add just little brows, little brow, and the nose. Okay, so from there, I think I'm happy with it. I may actually add the inner line here, like that. So the next step, what I do before I color it, is I use a kneaded rubber eraser and I erase it. Okay. All right, great. And then before I forget, because I forgot last time, I'm gonna add the cheek right away. I know I usually don't do that, but because I forgot last time, I just do not want to forget it this time. So I'm adding the cheek. Because a lot of the Kawaii characters have these like soft pink cheeks. And then I'm gonna add the green. Okay, so I'm just coloring it now, nice and loose. I do have a piece of foam board underneath. It just helps to soften everything and make it nice and smooth. And then I'm gonna do the nose. I might add, I know it sounds crazy, but I might add a little bit of pink right at the top of that nose. Like, that might actually look nice. So I'm not over darkening it, I'm just making it nice and loose. Start light to start. I'm probably gonna add darker areas definitely on this underneath part of Yoshi. So I'm just applying a little bit more pressure at the bottom there. And then probably the back part of the head here. Okay. What I'm gonna do before we get into the next part is I'm gonna add, you know, the body and the arms here. So I'm just coloring it in, having fun, it's relaxing. And then I will get into more shadow areas, like darken it up here and darken definitely underneath the tail part, right there. Okay, now I'm gonna color little spikes. I can leave a little part open, or a little area here for the white. That's okay, because this is where the light can hit it from there. I think that's kind of cool. And then the back part as well. Okay. I'm gonna do, I guess, the inside of the foot here. So that's a little bit lighter. And this part can be a little darker there. And then the boot. Just gonna try to see how this color looks. Yeah, I'm changing things up a bit. It's not exactly like the character, and that's okay. Kind of giving it more of like a pastel-y kind of look. With a little bit of blue underneath that belly. And the side of the cheek area too. I'm gonna add some blue. I'm gonna add some more shadow, or some more darker areas for the green. As well as underneath this mouth, or the nose area. And probably underneath the arm a bit. Definitely the back arm. And as well as the underneath part of the tail. I think it's looking nice. So for now, what I'm going to do is I'm probably going to add the grass, little grass area. Use more. Maybe I'm going to see if there's a marker I could use. Yeah, let's see how this looks. And shadow, or sort of darker area. And of course, the tongue. Can't forget that. Cute. Then I may just smoothing things out a bit in the color. That's it. I'm just seeing if I can go a little bit darker, or kind of blending in everything and, you know, smoothing out. And the cheek. I may add a highlight actually in that cheek. It's hard to tell. I don't know if it's going to show up on the screen, but I may just add it. So it's just a correction pen. As well in here, I'm going to add the correction pen. Cute. I'm just going to tighten up here a bit. So I'm just applying a little bit more pressure. Nice. Then I'll sign it, and then that's it. All right, guys. I hope you had fun. High five. Bye.